In this video, I'm going to show how I lay Lifeproof flooring. I'm going to show you how it goes together and how easy it is to cut with a razor blade. Stay tuned. Since I had to unload this flooring by myself, I'm going to include the footage for you. Did you know that Wise cameras were able to make time-lapse videos? The quality isn't that bad either. Each box of this flooring is about 30 to 35 pounds and it covers about 20 square feet. And after carrying all these boxes, they weigh about 100 pounds each. I like to unbox my flooring and lay it out so that I can lay an entire row at one time. The flooring that I used had 3 different sizes. A small, medium, and large. So I just laid out all the large planks at one time and then the medium for the next row, then the small. Say you have your flooring together. I'm going to take it back apart, lift up, pull out. Now, it won't come apart because it's locked. Now you see how easy it is to put this stuff together. If you're doubting yourself about putting it down, don't. You can easily lay this flooring. When laying each piece, you need to first lock the long edge into the existing flooring. Then slide it to the row you are working on and hammer the piece to lock it. Then tap the floor into the others. You will hear a snap which will close the gaps. If by chance you break any of the locking grooves, I have found that using super glue works great to secure them. As you move along, it's going to be inevitable that you need to make a cut. When you get to a piece that you need to cut, you can use a saw or simply use a razor knife. Strike the line, then snap the piece off. What I do is I flip the board over the opposite way and then mark the distance from the wall. You can use a pen, a pencil, or a razor blade. In this instance, I'm using a razor blade. Flip it over and then cut it. Make sure you use a backer board so you don't cut into your flooring. Whenever you have complex cuts, I would definitely use a saw. You can still use a razor blade, but it'll take a lot longer. With a short amount of time and effort, you can have a great looking floor that is way easier to lay than hardwood and very easy to maintain. Now let's check out the time lapse, because time lapses are cool. There you have it. This flooring is easy and you can do it too. Thanks for watching, and consider subscribing for more videos like this.